happened to you? Dun, 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 dun. I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. Maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue. Am I too overexposed? Oh, maybe not, maybe. Hey you guys, what is up? It's Andrea. Welcome back to the Peachybbies channel. So I actually haven't filmed like a proper video with like my face in it on this channel. I don't think ever. I've been going to a lot of different slime conventions and I was talking to you guys on Instagram, by the way, if you don't follow me there. Hey, what's up? You should definitely do that. And while you're there, you should go follow all my social medias and like my other vlog channel down below. If you want to do that, do it. I guess we're just gonna go and we're gonna film preparing for Slime Mania. I definitely want to make a part 2. I know I'm going to be going to Disneyland with some really exciting people. But instead, I actually got really sick with the flu the day that I traveled to California. So instead of going to Disneyland with Nicolette and Nicole and all of the really cool people I really wanted to hang out with, this is what actually happened. And I definitely want to try and like vlog that a little bit too. Currently 2:47 and I just found out, we just found out the address to Slime Mania. We never were told an address before now. And if we don't get everything shipped by tomorrow morning, that means it'll cost us like $500 to ship the stuff. So I guess I'm gonna stay up and pack it all myself. Normally we have somebody who packs it, but you can't get them overnight. So I'm gonna be doing that. We're not bringing a ton because to ship it is just expensive anyways and it doesn't make sense. So we're just gonna bring like a few hundred slimes. They're gonna be like my favorites. Here, look at them, beautiful, wow. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall asleep. I need to get up. Hopefully I can get some like big batch videos in there for you guys. Hopefully I can get some like packing videos. Oh my god, are you stuck? Oh no, okay, run free. So I guess we're just gonna try and vlog this video. I turn a camera on and instantly I'm like, oh my god, I'm not even interested in it. But you guys really want to see like the process, so I guess I'm gonna be packing some stuff tonight. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but if it's Slime Mania themed, I'll bring you along. Okay, so let's go and pack some slimes. This is toasted marshmallow. It's like the most basic slime, and I don't know why I love it as much as I do, but she is a thick queen, and I am obsessed with her, and she is super, super creamy. And it was also a bestseller at Slime Mania, so if you guys didn't get a chance to snatch, I know we're gonna be bringing this one back for a few weeks. Every time I'm making a schedule for what slimes we're going to restock that week, the first thing I always say is fairy bread, and then everybody sighs because that's like the only thing I want to bring back, and I should probably pick more things to bring back. So fairy bread, if you guys didn't know, quick little rundown, fairy bread is one of our first bread slime. It smells like a really, really sweet sugared toast, and it is inspired by an actual food, but it looks super cute. If you heard Celeste mew, you have been blessed by the fur seal. Please comment some cat emojis in the comments because she apparently really wants attention. Next, we have white chocolate peppermint bark. I brought this back last year. I brought it back a few times this year, this winter, and we decided to bring it back for Slime Mania. Since Slime Mania was winter themed, we wanted to bring back as many winter things as possible. Super, super creamy cloud cream, scented, of course, like a really sweet white chocolate peppermint.
A few
hours
later.
Hello. Oh, this is totally not even going to be good quality. Wow, look at that. I got my nails done. You can't even see them. Okay. I guess I'll show them to you when I get home. Got my nails done. You weren't able to like, there we go. Got my nails done. You weren't able to see them in the dark, so, hi, what's up? Got my hair done. Really upset with my hair because The top turned out pretty well. Like you can see, it's like a gray kind of thing. It's a little too gray, but the bottom is yellow and they're obviously not the same color. Yeah, so I've been dealing with that, which is why I've not gotten anything done and I'm so mad. Then everything else isn't gonna be done either because But we're back to slime making. So I am filming the Slime Bash special right now and here I'm gonna show you. So this one is actually a new slime we are bringing. This one is called Slime Bash Special. I'm actually going to rename it and sell it in the shop a few times. Winter is over because I really, really love this one and I'm super happy with how it turned out. Stay tuned for that name change. Or if you guys have any names that you think would look amazing on it, would sound amazing with it, please comment them down below. Maybe I'll choose one of those. But Slime Bash Special is our super thick, new and improved thick slime recipe, which is a really pretty glossy pink. And then we made a custom sprinkle mix that was kind of inspired by the Slime Bash theme, the pink and the red. Mix it all together and it smells like a really sweet sugared candy cane. Next, we have another new one. This one is called Princess Toast. So Princess Toast, very similar to fairy bread. I really love the really sweet smelling breads, obviously, because I'm selling it. I hate when I do that to myself. I'm like, I really, really love this. It's mine, but digging it, man. Yeah, love it. 10 out of 10. You should go snatch it right now. So Princess Toast is the same texture as fairy bread. So it's that super sizzly, super inflatable clay bread slime. And then it's topped with another custom sprinkle and foam mix. Very similar to fairy bread, but a little bit of a twist on it. Then, of course, I tried to include a little bit of a behind-the-scenes big batch mixing. I don't know, do you guys like videos more like this rather than straight-up restocking videos? If you do, I'm gonna put a poll right now. Go vote on it. Tell me what kind of videos you'd want to see more of on this channel. Oh yeah, that looks really cute. So last but certainly not least, we have Grasshopper Milkshake. And Grasshopper Milkshake was a hit from the start. I have no idea how this one caught on so quickly, but I have to say this is definitely one of our most popular slimes in the shop right now. So thank you for that. Oh, what the heck? So this one is, again, our super, super thick and glossy recipe. This one needs to gloss up just a tiny bit more before it gets that full gloss. Scented, of course, like chocolate and peppermint. Inspired by the milkshake. Smells delicious and comes with those cute little chocolate sprinkles in the bottom to add a little bit of crunch. We're just gonna move this so that we fit in the frame. Yeah, looks good. I need to stop saying haha, but I can't because I started thinking about the fact that I'm saying it and now I'm saying it again. It is currently 1:04 a.m. I am getting on a plane in 3 hours, and there's just a few slimes that I wanted to finish up. I thought for the rest of the video we could kind of do like a little bit of a Q&A out of it while I pack them up. Figured we could just hang out. I think part of this is going to be an ASMR video when I get back home too as well. So if you guys are excited for ASMR packing with like the full-on microphone, like me whispering like hello, welcome back to this video, I think I'm gonna do that next week. So you have that to look forward to or dread. I mean, it really depends on if you like ASMR. Do I look like I have no hair? Be quiet! We're down to like the bottom of a bag, so it's just this sad little excuse of a bag. I know a lot of you guys are asking for a house tour or a slime room tour. There's not a lot to it yet, that's why I haven't done it. Ooh, let's look at this flip. Oh, that was nice. So, first of all, Waterfalls said, what app do you use on your iPad for the writing and drawing, etc.? I get this question so many times. If you guys haven't seen it, it's mostly on Instagram. I am the one who draws all of the slime logos. I'm the one who draws the banners and stuff. And I use that, and it's actually called Procreate. If you get it, I definitely recommend downloading your own brushes because the ones that it comes with aren't super great. I've been on vacation. I've been traveling for the past few weeks, and I feel like I haven't had enough restocks. I feel like I just haven't done enough. I mean, that's kind of my life. I just live my life feeling like I'm not doing enough. That was like a really deep thought. Wow, stop that. This smells so good. 5grade_queen asks, how many slimes do you have? So we're only going to have a few hundred. The new containers that we have, all 6 ounces by the way, we've thrown them at walls. We've made sure that they don't break. But you know, the post office, they make sure that everything breaks eventually. Socially awkward turtle, yeet! Oh, there's something like really satisfying about like going listen. Yes. Then Sophie Otter Llama asks, do you care more about the amount of followers you have or oiks? Definitely the oiks. I definitely really concerned with the oiks. Oik! Miss Lehowan, it should be on the screen. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm sorry. Asked, how many years have you been selling slime for? And this is actually really funny because I'm totally gonna make a video on it. But I have been doing this for 2 years. I've actually been here for 2 years. I was one of the OG people. It's like people hold you to a completely impossible standard because you've been doing it for so long, and they call you, you know, overrated, or they say that your stuff isn't good enough. And I actually got really frustrated because I know for a fact that, you know, everybody's had stuff flop in their life. Everybody's had like bad batches. Everybody's had a slime that they didn't really love but they sold anyways. Yeah, I've done that. I've had a lot of people lately, and I'm gonna make a video on this. I'm not gonna touch on it too much, and it's not even related to the question. I just felt like talking about it. And it's my video, and I can do whatever the fricky frack I want. I can even say frickety frack if I want to. I've had a lot of people lately try to expose me or try to call me out for my stuff not being good enough. And, you know, when people say that, I really take it into consideration because I've been doing this for a long time. Sometimes it's really easy to sit there and be like, oh, my stuff is the best. I don't need to change anything. And I see that happen a lot, and I don't ever want that to be me. I want my stuff to be consistently getting better, and I want to make sure that all the stuff I have is relevant and is new and is innovative and is just good. So when I got a lot of people saying that my stuff wasn't good or saying that I was overrated, saying I was overpriced, all this stuff, I genuinely sat there, I'm like, huh, is this true? Is my stuff not as good as everybody else's stuff? So I went to every single slime shop you can think of that has a decent cult following. I bought from all of them anonymously, and I am going to be posting the video in the next few weeks. And we are going to debunk the myth of whether or not my slime in comparison to other people's slime is overrated, or if that is just people deciding that they believe I'm overrated because I've been around a long time and they're not giving it a chance because it's a hype fest of like who can call who overrated the most. And it's a really good video, and it's a side of me you guys have not seen. This is a little bit of side of me you guys have not seen because it's like very chill, and normally I am not chill. But I do have some really strong points, and we spill a little bit of tea. And by a little bit, I mean a lot. We're bringing the whole kettle. Someone said, hi, I'm tired. Yo, hi, I'm Dad. What's up? Then there's going to be another Slime Mania vlog after this. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!